Hello, this will be a really quick video just showing what I've done in the past 2 weeks. I will try to be very brief with it. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to say is the grenade. As you see, it now has another layer in the background, which this outer one will be the knockback range, and this inside one is the damage one. So now I demonstrate this. See, it shoots out, and instead of how it was before when it started, it was flashing. Now it slowly just fades out, flashes back up, and then explodes. I'll show it one more time. Another thing I worked on was the shotgun again, which I also in the document I go into more detail about like how it works, but if you see when I spam it, it will spawn 2 or 3 bullets. But if I wait in a little bit of more interval between each one, it's now shooting more bullets. I think it's like about 5 and 6. Yeah, 5 and 6. Now if I wait really long, it shoots 7 to 8. So this kind of benefits people to not kind of just like spray it and spam it really fast. It kind of gives them to use an incentive to use it more strategically, to kind of deal more damage to the enemies if they're lined up or whatever. And then I also did some work with the chain, which I cannot show until I put the enemies in, so let's just go ahead and do that. Edit and fix the enemies finally, so here they are. So I will demonstrate the grenade first. So it wasn't in the knockback radius, and see it took 5. But now let's do this. Boom, knockback. Let's try that again. Boom. It has no knockback, but you saw 2.5. That's dead. And then now, if I spam it, low damage, but if I wait, it shoots more bullets, which in turn does more damage. I know soon we're gonna try to do a whole revamp on all the numbers, so that'll be nice to kind of have better looking numbers and not have like decimals like 2.5. And then last is the chain, which I think looks a lot better. I still need to polish up some things for it. I know in my document I said I wanted to make it to where like how it is now when I use it, they all get grabbed at the exact same time and pulled at the exact same time, which is fine, but it just looks a little chunky maybe. Doesn't look as fluid. But I want to make it to where like they all like shoot out at different times to make it look more, or like at random intervals to make it look more, I guess, randomized, not like so, I don't know. But as you see, when I use it, it goes out and it pulls it in. So like how it was before is it would instantly latch onto it, but now it slowly shoots out and then pulls the enemy towards him. So, and then obviously you can see the actual sprite that's for the chain. Yeah, that's everything I did in a nutshell. Just a lot of trial and error and testing stuff out and making sure everything was how I would like it to be. So there's still some polishing I need to do for that stuff, but for the most part it's done. So yeah, thank you for watching.